Let's make almond milk with two simple ingredients. I have soaked half a cup of almonds overnight, 2 cups of water. I have chosen not to peel my almonds, but I feel this peel has so much of nutritional value. This is another way of adding dairy substitutes in your life. It looks so good. Now I can drink this the way it is, but I'm also going to show you how you can use a nut bag which is specially made for this. Just soaking it overnight, this is the goodness you get. So if you haven't soaked it overnight, that is okay. You can still only soak it for 30 minutes. Just make sure the blender you're using is strong enough that's actually going to make the milk. So that's all you need. The sediments of the almonds that's in here. This is the goodness. You don't want to throw this out. This looks like actually it looks like a coconut, right? But this is all almonds, and now I'm going to save this until I'm ready to make my almond cookies or use them in any recipe that I'm doing, and I will add this in there. So nothing gets waste. If you like, you can add flavorings. My favorite is just to have it the way traditional way the almond milk is, but some people like to add vanilla essence to this, or any essence that they like they can add to it, orange essence, whatever flavors you're fond of, like even the rose flavor, you can add it to it and make it different, and every time you can change it around. But if you have this traditional tall glass of almond milk, this can be used in various other recipes as well. Plus, it's good for health and for drinking. So here it is. Cheers.